In the previous class you have learned a concept of maxima minima. What I am sharing now, the different approach, the question will be given in a word problem form and you have to answer the particular solution. Now look at the question. Find two positive numbers such that whose sum is 35 and the product of the square of the first one and the fifth power of the other will be minimum. This is the way of getting a questions in the exam. So the question demand two positive numbers. So I should start. Let x and y will be the two positive number. The condition is given, their sum is 35. So I should write x plus y will be equal to 35. Now, product of the square of the one means first term square and fifth power of the other is minimum. So at present, suppose I want to find out the minimum value of this expression x square into y raised to power 5. But always remember, so far whatever the question we have solved, it is in one variable form. Now it is in two variable. So always remember, every two variable you have to first convert in one variable. Now you may be asking how to get it is in one variable. So x square you can keep as it is. The value of the y will be given in the expression. This form you can use. So y will be equal to 35 minus x raised to power 5. Now this is well known pattern. The function is given and you know how to answer the question. First step is f dash of x. First term as it is 5 over here, 35 minus x raised to power 4 over here it is minus 1 plus 35 minus x raised to power 5 into 2x, that is nothing but the differentiation. So always simplify this. I think you can take out something common, x you can take common. Other term 35 minus x raised to power 4 also you can take out common. Now remaining things I am writing over here. X we have taken, so 1x is left. This 5 is left. So it will be minus 5x plus over here 35 minus x the whole square and this x is out. So this 2 is left. So it will be 70 minus 2x. So if you ask me to simplify, it will be x. It will be 35 minus x raised to power 4 and over here 70 minus 7x. 70 minus 7x. So this is nothing but the first step. Now f dash of x. Do you know u, v, w we have learned? So I am trying to apply that. U, differentiation of u is 1. So it will be 35 minus x raised to power 4 and 70 minus 7x plus. Now u I will be keeping as it is, it's a differentiation into 4 35 minus x raised to power 3 into minus 1. Okay, into this 70 minus 7x will be as it is. Now plus one more term will come. Now this x as it is, 35 minus x raised to power 4 as it is, and over here you will get minus 7. Now next step is f dash of x will be equal to 0. Now look at this expression. When it will be equal to 0? When x will be 0, x will be equal to 35 or x will be equal to 10. But if you look at the question, they are asking about two positive number, so we will delete this expression. So which two number I should consider? One is 35 and the other is 10. So these are the two critical points. So I am trying to find out f double dash of 10. F double dash of 10. Now look here, how not to evaluate the entire expression. This is nothing but a positive number. Listen this point carefully. This is positive number. If I will put 10 over here, the first term will be 0 plus. In this expression also, if you put x is equal to 10, this will be also 0. This will be also 0. And in case you are putting 10 over here, 25 minus 10 and this is 10. This whole thing is positive but it is negative. So I am talking about this expression is negative. We don't want the value. What we want? We want only the nature of. So this is negative. F double dash of 35. 35. Now if the two numbers are there whose sum is 35, so there is no need of. So other number is not possible. So how many critical points are there? Exactly 1. So you have got the value. Negative means what? You are getting the second derivative is negative, so it will be nothing but maximum. At what point? At what point x is equal to 10? X is equal to 10. So what are the number? X is equal to 10. Another number we have considered y. So another number is 5. So the product will be maximum when the numbers are 10 and 15. Product means x square minus x square. This product is maximum. So you can simplify and get the answer. You can simplify and get the answer. Okay. On the similar line, one more question. This is one rectangular sheet is given whose dimension are 45 and 24. From this sheet you are converting and getting an open box. For converting open box, the question demands the square from each corner to be cut off. Is from here you will be cutting one corner. Likewise, because paper folding activity, whenever you will cut, then only this portion can be folded up and you will get a box. So that the volume of the box will be maximum. Suppose you are cutting and changing this, so I just consider this is x, this will be also x. So all corners will be of the same direction. So in case of this box, this becomes the length. So the volume is defined as, if this total length was 45 minus this portion is x, this portion is x. 45 minus 2x length. I am trying to use LBH approach. This is 24. Out of 24, this is x and this is. So another term is 24 minus 2x. Next, what is required? Height. Height will be, this will be folded and it is going to get upside. So height will be nothing but it. So this is a volume function. Is it in one variable? Yes. So there is no issue. You can get V dash. V dash I am trying to apply the same method. 45 minus 2x and 24 minus 2x. This derivative is 1 plus. Now I am differentiating this. I will be getting minus 2. Now 24 minus 2x and x will be as it is plus. Now differentiating these two, you will be getting again minus 2 and now 45 minus 2x and over here x. Just simplify and find out the value of v dash of x. So I think you are getting v dash of x is equal to 12x square minus 276x plus 1080. Again double differentiate, 24x minus 276. Now you know the method, v dash of x is equal to 0. Compare this equal to 0 and find out the value of x. So you are getting x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 18. These are the two critical points. Now I am replacing this in the second derivative. V double dash of 5. Look here. This is 24 into 5 minus 276. This is 100. You are getting negative. And v double dash of 18. You are getting 24 into 18 minus 276. You are getting positive. You required maximum volume. For maximum value, second derivative must be negative. So this is the answer. So volume will be maximum when the value of x is equal to 5. Whenever x becomes 5, then so what should be the answer? The square of side x to be cut off so as to get the maximum value. Suppose what is the maximum volume is asked, then replace this 5 in the main function. Suppose I am replacing here, it is 45 minus 10, so it will be 35. Over here 24 minus 10 is nothing but 14 and this is 5. Multiply, you will get that many centimeter cube. That many centimeter cube is nothing but the volume. That many. So area function, first time differentiation will be like this. And suppose you ask me what is the second derivative, it will be 1 by 2 pi. Here minus 1 by 8, over here it is minus 8. So 1 by 2 pi plus 1 by 8. That means second derivative is positive. Second derivative positive means the function has minima. So this confirmation that the combined area will be minimum. But when it will be minimum, a dash of x will be equal to 0. So compare a dash of x will be equal to 0 and find out the value of the x part which is to be cut out. So x by 2 pi will be equal to 1 by 8, 28 minus x. So it will be 8x will be equal to 2 pi over here 28 cross multiply, and here it is minus 2 pi x, 2 pi x. Simplify, you can bring on this side. It will be 8 plus 2 pi will be equal to, it will be 28, again 2 pi on the right side. So the value of x you are getting now here 28, 2 you can cancel out, it will be 28 upon pi plus 4. So the part which we have considered here, the x, this dimension we are getting, x is nothing but 28 upon pi plus 4, 28 upon. And if you want other part, then you can simplify 28 minus x. So you have to cut in that dimension so as to get the answer, minimum area. Next question. Show that the right circular cylinder of a given surface area. One right circular cylinder given surface area. Given means S. What will be the surface area? This is R, this is H. Means 2 pi R H plus 2 pi R square. Why this 2 pi R square? Because it will be right circular cylinder closed at both ends. Okay. Given surface area. And the maximization of volume. Volume is to be maximized. So what is the volume of this? It will be pi R square H. Such that height equal to the diameter. This is not to be considered. Height will be equal to the diameter. Finally you should get height and diameter are same. Okay. Now again the issue is, if this function is of two variable, one is R and the other one is H. Try to convert in one variable. Better option, given thing is nothing but the constant. So this expression I should say S is a constant. Now it is easy for you to get the value of H. So pi R square I am writing here and the value of H is replaced. What is the value of H here? This is S upon 2 pi R square. This is shifted upon 2 pi R. Always try to simplify this form and then only you can work out. So it will be pi will get cancelled. Now I am opening. V is now totally function of R only. S treated as a constant. This one R also will get cancelled. So if you are cancelling this R, this is not there. But this 2 will be there. So it will be 1 by 2. S I am writing first because S being a treated as constant. So S by 2 into R minus. Now this R is multiplied over here. This 2 now it will get cancelled. You will get pi R cube. Pi R cube. So far it is okay. Now V dash. V dash of R is nothing but S by 2 minus 3 pi R square. And V double dash of R will be nothing but, this is constant, it will be 0. It will be minus 6 pi R. Now second derivative is positive or negative, it totally depends upon the radius. But radius is always treated as positive. So you can conclude it will be negative. But how to get the value of R? Value of R you will get from this expression. Maxima minima V dash of R will be equal to 0. So S by 2 will be equal to 3 pi R square. That is the value of S is nothing but 6 pi R square. So with this condition you can get. Suppose someone is asking me what is the value of R, then I should say R will be equal to square root of x by 6 pi. Therefore second derivative is getting negative. But so far we have not concluded what the height is equal to diameter. So this value of S I am replacing in this expression. Now look here. 6 pi R square left hand side will be equal to 2 pi R H plus 2 pi R square. Now shifting this. If you are shifting this is on the left hand side, it will be 4 pi R square will be equal to 2 pi R H. You can cancel something. This 2 can get cancelled, pi can get cancelled, and R also 1, so is nothing but this. So what is the conclusion is coming? Height will be equal to 2R is nothing but diameter. Height is equal to the diameter. One last question we'll do and then we'll stop. Find the point on the curve. This is a curve given. X square will be equal to 2y, which is nearest to the point 0, 5. 0, 5. That means there is somewhere B point is there. These two are nearest distance in all the distances. That is I want to show. So it is a variable point, so I can consider b is equal to x comma y. So what is the distance AB? It will be root under x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. But as you know that distance is always a positive quantity, so I should consider a function will be equal to distance square. So I am getting x square plus y minus 5 the whole square. But the same issue is there. Now this function is in two variable. It can be converted into one variable with the given condition. Every point on this curve will be equal to x square will be equal to 2y. So this x square I can write 2y plus y minus 5 the whole square. Now it is a function of y. You can differentiate f dash of y, you will get it will be 2. Here it will be 2 times of y minus 5. Okay, if you simplify you will get 2 plus 2y minus 10. It will be nothing but 2y minus 8. If you differentiate one more time you will get 2. So second derivative is positive, means function has maximum. Function has maximum. What is the function? Distance. So distance will be maximum when f dash of y will be equal to 0. Now what is f dash of y will be equal to 0? 2y minus 8 will be equal to 0. So the value of y will be nothing but 4. But the question is asking something else. What is asking the question? Find the point. Find the point on the curve. X and y are the point. The value of y you are getting 4. The value of y you are getting 4. So x square is equal to 2y is the relation. Every point behave like this. So if I will write x square is equal to 4 to the 8, the value of x is nothing but 2 root 2. So the answer will be the point. If you want to write 2 root 2 comma 4, it will be plus minus, you can. So this is a way to answer the question. So what you should keep in mind, always try to get a function in one variable. Then there is a common method, f dash, f double dash. F dash of x will be equal to, or f dash of y will be equal to, compare with the 0, get that value, and in that way you can answer any type of question. So this way you can practice all questions from maxima minima.